Hey guys, David here with East Orlando Harley-Davidson, and today we are going to be doing a brief overview of a special motorcycle, the 2021 CVO Road Glide. For 2021, the Road Glide CVO is going to come in 3 different colors. That's the Black Hole, which is a black and red bike. There's also a bronze armor color, and then this motorcycle here, which is the beautiful sunset orange and black fade. CVOs are at the top of the Harley-Davidson model range, so that means they're going to come with all the best features, the top amenities, and they're going to have all the custom trim that make it look like a customized bike right out of the factory. This bike has all the features that we've learned to love from the Road Glide, featuring the frame-mounted fairing, which does an excellent job at blocking the wind. It has the big comfortable floorboards, a 6-gallon tank, and cruise control, so this is really the ultimate machine to do some long distance riding with. Exclusive to the CVO models is the 117 Milwaukee 8 twin-cooled engine. Some of the goodies featured on this CVO is going to be the upgraded Stage 2 Rockford Fosgate audio system, and you can see they also match that with the Rockford Fosgate saddlebag speakers. If we take a look up front here, we will see the 21-inch combo front wheels. These are the only 21-inch wheels that come from the Harley-Davidson factory, and they look fantastic on this bike. Being at the top of the model range, of course, the CVO Road Glide is equipped with RDRS. That's the Reflex Defensive Rider Systems. This is the electronic suite of features from Harley-Davidson, and it comes with a number of different modes for your motorcycle. There's a rain mode involved. There's also a hill hold feature, which if the bike is on a sharp incline, if you pull your front brake all the way in and wait for the logo to pop up, the bike will actually hold itself in place. Lots of customers have definitely loved that feature. It also has cornering ABS, which is also definitely going to come in handy. CVO stands for Custom Vehicle Operation. The concept behind this is that these motorcycles pretty much look like customized show bikes right from the factory. Some of the nice features that we've learned to love from the CVOs, we'll see they have the vertical taillights in the back that look fantastic. CVOs usually come with some very nice looking gauges here. We'll see that the Road Glide is equipped with the Fang fairing on the front, which really ties everything together quite nicely. This is a full-size touring bike. It is going to weigh in right around 890 pounds in running order. But you'll find that the CVO Road Glide is quite approachable. The seat height is only 25.9 inches, which makes it a lot more docile, especially for average or people of shorter stature. The frame-mounted fairing cuts right through the wind. This big 6-gallon tank holds all the fuel you need to go for the longer haul. The Boombox GTS infotainment system is going to tell you everything that you need to know. You can Bluetooth your phone to it, play your music through these Rockford Fosgate speakers. You can utilize the GPS to see where you're going. It'll even go as far as telling you your tire pressure. So as far as luxury touring motorcycles go, the CVO Road Glide is going to be the best of the best. All right, this concludes our brief overview of the 2021 CVO Road Glide. These Road Glides have so many features, I'm sure I forgot something. Make sure to let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're interested in this motorcycle or any of the other exciting 2021 Harley-Davidson bikes, come see us here at East Orlando Harley at Lake Underhill Road.